Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You open Instagram and go straight to your profile, tap the three-line menu, then Settings. This is the fastest path to notification controls, so start here. Once in Settings, navigate to Notifications to see app-level options. Make sure you are on the correct account and the app is updated, otherwise menus differ. This first step sets you up to stop unwanted pings and prevents toggling the wrong profile. Now, move into the Notifications panel to make changes. Once inside Notifications, you'll see categories like Posts, Stories, Messages, and Live. You toggle each type so you only receive what matters. For example, turn off likes and follows while keeping direct messages on. Use pause or silence to mute push alerts for a set time, handy for meetings. You can also set story and live alerts separately to reduce noise. Make these granular changes, because they control how Instagram pushes alerts to your device and help avoid notification overload. Finish by checking your device level settings. Go to iOS or Android notification settings and silence Instagram if you want total quiet. Also enable Do Not Disturb or a focus profile for scheduled breaks. If notifications still appear after toggling both app and OS settings, log out, clear Instagram's cache, or reinstall. The app sometimes needs a refresh to apply changes. If that fails, restart your phone. The combination of in-app and device controls stops virtually all unwanted notifications.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.